Hey guys, today we're going to show you a bank statement converter tool which will basically take your bank statements in PDF, in CSV or in any format, and it will convert them into CSV file with all the transactions that you can download, right? Also, you can automatically use that bank statement to reconcile with your invoices and with your receipts directly from the same tool, right? So the tool is called Tailride, and it's the one that we are going to be checking out today, right? So let me make this a little bit smaller, and I will log it into my account, which I already have here, right? So first step would obviously be create an account, which is free, and then we'll just go into the dashboard and we'll go into the statements tab, right? So in this case, you can see that I already have some statements which I have uploaded here, and in this case, I'm just going to download the first, the original statement that I uploaded here, so that you can see how it actually looks like, right? So in this case, we uploaded a CSV as original file, but I want to download a PDF so that you can see both of them, right? So you can see this is a PDF which will be uploading to the actual tool, and let's see how it converts it. And then we'll also upload a CSV account statement, which will basically help us also see how it converts them and well, it outputs them in the same actual format, right? So you've seen the two files that we have here, both from Revolut, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on new extract, and first we're going to process the Revolut July statement, right? So I'm going to click on process extract, and what this will do, it will start processing with AI all the transactions, and it will bring them out here in this table, right? So you can see how the format looks like. We have the number of transactions here, and then we have the reconciliation, which will only happen if you actually have invoices or receipts in your Tailride account, right? So that was it. Now we have here this statement which says that it covers July, and which is from Revolut, which is automatically extracted, and if not, we can change it from here. So we have 31 transactions, 16 have been matched, and we have 10 that are not matched, and we have 10 other transactions which are only incoming transactions, right? Which are basically all the credits that we are getting on our bank account, right? So you can see that in this case, we have the table with all the transactions list. We have the amount, we have the date of the transaction, and then we can export this as a CSV. And basically, if we open this, it's this one. No, probably not that one. That's the original one. It's this one, right? Yeah. So we have the we have the status here. We have the description. We have the amount. We have the currency. We have the invoice file name in the case that the invoice was reconciled, and then we have a direct URL to the invoice. In this case, because the invoice was reconciled, right? But if not, it's just empty, right? So it extracts all the transactions from the original statement, and it puts them on a CSV that we can actually download, right? You can see here that they have lots of receipts, lots of invoices in my account because they have my email connected, so it extracts all the invoices and receipts automatically. So in this case, what I'm doing is not only using Tailride for processing my statements, but also, well, I match all of them, right? So at the end of the month, I just see that I have 16 match transactions and 10 unmatched transactions, which means that I'm missing some invoices, right? Some of these ones, I don't have receipts for the payments. So I need to find them, because if I don't find them, I'm not going to be able to claim my VAT on these payments. But so that was a PDF. Let's try now trying to process the CSV and see what it does, right? So this is for the month of August. So I'm just going to upload this, and in this case, it's a CSV file, right? So the same should happen. I believe there are more transactions, so we are going to see more transactions. And also you can see here that when the invoices or receipts are matched, you can directly preview the invoice or the receipt from here, right? You have the description, the amount, the date, and I can download the receipt from here if I want to, right? You can see that all the receipts file names follow the same convention. That's because when they are extracted, they are also renamed based on the settings that I have here, and that I want them to be named like that, right? So on the statements, the new one has been processed. We have now 37 total transactions, 19 matched, 6 unmatched, and then we have, well, the rest are incoming transactions, right? Incoming money that has been added to my account. So we see here the same. Basically, we can export the CSV. We can see the CSV again. Let's just open this. So we have the statement with the status, description, the amount, the currency, the date, and then the file names and the URLs from the reconciliation, right? So you can see here that it's very fast, it works very reliably, it doesn't miss any transaction, and basically it will kind of process statements from any bank, right? You can see here I have statements from another bank that they have been processed without any kind of problem, right? So this is Tailride. You can try it for free, and this is how you can basically convert your bank statements into CSV format.